Hei, ai vrea și tu. Salut, salut. E timpul să mai muncim câte ceva. Am vreo 7 laptopuri de reparat. Am un job de 7 laptopuri de Lenovo X1 Carbon. Și nu le pot face. Trebuie să dau drumul în live stream. E plictisitor. Physics. Good morning, good morning. Yeah. 7. And all, they have exactly the same issue with the USB-C port. Rossetti, salut. Morning, guys. Kind of morning. Roctaz. Salutări din ea, salut. Am fost pe acolo, frumoasă zonă. What can be more boring than fixing 7 laptops with USB-C issues, huh? Plictisitor ca dracu, da. Toyota, hello. My daughter has a Toyota. We had before the Prius, the plug-in one, and we sold it. Let's check the charging. And this one is working. 19 volts, 2.4 amps. And this one, it's working. Now wait a second. And from this side, Nemanja, hello. Pleasant surprise. Wait, let me read the customer email because I'm not sure. But he's saying USB. That's what he's saying. USB? Like normal USB? Or what? I have no idea. Let me read the customer email. I've had a good experience with Toyotas. The car was no issue. Actually, it's a proper good car. The issue was the increase on electricity price. And at some point, I was driving with petrol, not with current, not with electricity. 1 second, let me check the customer email. 4249. Yes, 6 Intel 11 Gen plus 1 Intel 12 Gen faulty USB-C charging ports. Then I don't understand because this one is good. I mean, what should I do to... Maybe his charger is not good. Power grid is overloaded now. I mean, I was charging the car from my wallet, you know, from my garage plug mains, yeah? Well. Okay, so this one is going off. Oh, okay, it's making sense. Yeah, okay. And this one is fine. So this one has a issue indeed. Ed, hello. Bad port? Yeah, looks like. It's not bad. It's not the port. The port is never bad. Always is the solder. Yeah, the pins. The pins are the problem. We didn't check if it's working. Maybe we have some cracked screen and stuff like that. Yeah, it's working. Good. So what about you guys? What you guys are doing? Fixing stuff or? Paolo, good morning. Amer, I'm guessing job lot. Yeah, job lot. A boring one. We have 7 laptops with USB-C issues. Just to understand. I mean, don't get me wrong. I'm happy I catch some computer business and dealers. Where to have 7 with USB-C port, boring as hell, right? And we just started. Already I got bored. Inventory, boring. Yeah, repair one already? No. Waiting for the power IC to repair an Asus VivoBook. Yeah, just bypass it. Yeah, just bypass it. Yeah. You want to replace the IC? You don't have like spare boards? VivoBook, probably it's a Intersil chip. It's ISL 92 something. That one. I had one. Listen, I had one like yesterday. It was in the computer business, but they knew about stuff, yeah. So they checked the board and they said the voltage is not passing the first MOSFET. And when I checked the interseal, the internal regulator voltage was missing. I remember pin number 18. Huh? Pin number 18, you should have 5 volts. Is the internal regulator. So pay attention, yeah. My car battery arrived. Remember, my car battery is gone. We tested on the Temu video. Give me 1 second, 1 second. Okay, false alarm. It's another job lot. That battery was so bad? Yeah, it was bad. Yeah. It's not the battery yet. No. No. Yeah, one more screw here. The real bad news is my landlord increased the rent with like £400. £400. It's the second increase on 6 months. Can't believe. I think I need to find another place. Yeah, I need to find another place. It's a little bit over my budget. But yeah, 400 in 1 month, 400 in. So in totally now the rent is 2,400. And the last increase of the rent with like £200 was like 6 months ago. Yeah. We like on 6 months, you increase the rent with like £800, £600, sorry. Crazy. I mean, I understand it's a business, but you know, for £2,400, I have to fix a bunch of laptops. Just think how many laptops I have to repair. Maybe I have to increase my repair price. In Portugal, the house prices are also crazy. This is a 4-bedroom house. It's a big one. But yeah, we seen a 4-bedroom house on this street with like 2K. It's still online. So I'm not sure what should I say, but we start looking online, you know, for something else. I mean, I don't need 4-bedroom house. I need like 3-bedroom house. And Diana can do her the stream lives, you know, the gaming stuff from bedroom, from kitchen. I don't know. I don't care. I'm not gonna rent a house, a room. I'm not gonna get an extra room for streaming. She can stream from the bedroom. I don't know. So I will have my room, you know, fixing stuff. Then probably then she can stream from the bedroom. Then my son room and my daughter room. Yeah. No, living room. Yeah, living room. I will work on the living room. I repair my bed. No bedroom. No bedroom, man. No. I can't repair from the bedroom. I mean, probably I can. Yeah. Yeah, why not? You know, why not? Why not? Why not? Yeah, the rent is mad expensive here. Mad. Can you realize you can buy a car, a proper good car, every month? That's how expensive it is. I mean, Amr, when I was like a kid, I done it the same. I have my bedroom and I have my desk, and I was fixing stuff there. So yeah, there's no shame in that. Repairing in bathroom will be interesting. You'll be surprised, but I know a guy who had like a small repair thing in the bathroom. In the bathroom, yeah. He was not using that bathroom, but he transformed the bathroom in a repair. Okay, so we have the charging port. Microscope, light, more light, and we have the port. We need some flux, but I'm gonna use the gel flux because otherwise, if the flux it will get inside of the port, rosin is not good inside of the port. We need like a big nozzle. Big nozzle. Okay, that can be challenging. No big nozzle. No. My dad used downstairs bedroom for photography. Don't even open the subject. Don't do it. I done photography from my bedroom, like, of course, when I was like a kid, and I have a passion for photography. So you have to use a dark room with a small red light to, from the film camera. The film camera, you have two solutions. And then I was using like big format film, like 6x9 or something like that. So you put a film, you put the photo paper under, you start the bedroom light like 2 seconds, you turn off, then again you take the paper, you go on the two solutions, and you have the picture. Yeah, I was doing this for so long. I had a passion for that. Okay, 350 degrees. Yeah, because the chemicals. Yeah. Wait, where is my port? Yeah. I mean, on the past, photography was really interesting. Now you just push a button and, yeah, you take the picture. Hey, it's not getting melted. Come on. Yeah, the board is stuck in the heat. Let's go to 360 degrees. It's so hot. Wait, I forgot. The port is stuck with glue. I forgot about that. Yeah, the port it is stuck with some special glue. Yeah, I just remember now. Yeah. Okay. Okay, and the port is out. You learned? You learn fast? It takes to melt or not melt? The temperature, 350, 360, you're safe. 350, 360. Yeah, there. We need some solder. Perfect. Let me check the port. No, the pins are fine. The pins are okay. Let's solder the port back. Good. Company gluing components on the PCB should be boycotted. Yeah. Let me suck the heat. Let's test it. Let's see. So plug in the charger. And the meter is coming on. Good. And from the other side. Good. Good. Yeah, perfect. We fix it! I can't believe 1 pizza and a half. Easy pizza. Easy pizza. Be sure we are not leaving prints and stuff. Good. What happens if you power the board after reworking? The chips can get shorted. They have 150 degrees like temperature limit. So if you have power on a chip and you heat up that chip over 150, it will get shorted. I had a case a while ago, but soon enough. I tried to replace a BQ chip. BQ chip, and I forgot the power race plug, the charger, and I used the heat to take the chip out, and the AC chip died. Can you believe that? Yeah. The AC chip died. You still use gold wire inside of the chip? Yeah, they use gold wire, yeah. Yeah, from what I know. From what I know. Have you seen the video from, because you remember now about the gold wire, copper and stuff. You seen the video from the Bauer? You know the Bauer, which is the guy which is making actually the thermal grizzly and thermal stuff? He has a YouTube channel. You know the guy? It's a German guy. Not sure if you know the guy. Because I was shocked. Yeah, exactly. Nesquik. He goes scam like 40k euros. That's insane. I seen the video. So he bought from 3 different people, companies, and everyone scam him. How that can happen? I mean, what are the odds? You buy from 3 different companies and all scam you. That's crazy. I left a comment there because I really feel bad for the guy. Well, that's insane. That's crazy. That's literally crazy. I mean, how that can happen? And even the aluminium pallet, it was like half. The bottom one was empty. Insane. I mean, yeah, you buy from somewhere and you get scammed. Okay, I can understand that. But you buy from 3 different companies and all scam you? Hopefully he pay with PayPal, but probably not. Because whoever scam you, it will not accept PayPal. He said one company responded back. I hope he posts when who he bought them from. Probably even if he's posting the name. There are companies, a lot of companies out there. You'll not know the name, and you know how that can help you. And probably are some unknown companies, selling like cheap copper and aluminium sheets. Yeah. I can't see anything. I mean, I feel bad because he is a European manufacturer. Yeah, like on this time, everyone is doing stuff on China, but he is doing the stuff on Europe. That's why I feel bad. I mean, definitely he need more support. Yeah. Monday. I really like his products, bit expensive. I mean, it's supposed to be expensive because they are not from China. I understand. But you pay for the quality. You don't pay for custom fees, let's say. Because the products from China, they have the value, has a custom fee inside. Actually, that price is not actually the real price. So, or import fees. Yeah, import fees. Yeah, that's how it's called, import fees. I mean, good for him because he has the courage to make a video about I got scammed. You need some courage for something like that. I mean, probably he has orders, and if he will tell to the people, I got scammed, probably no one will believe it. Yeah, we are all human. I know. That's why I always pay with PayPal. I always pay with PayPal. They will not accept PayPal on that big orders, but to pay by the card, it's tricky. Monorus, salute. We have some screws left, but from where? Okay, one from here. One from here. One from here, and I still have one left. I still have one screw left. Do you see any screw? What was here on this connector? Was nothing? Was nothing there, right? AV, good morning. Was nothing on this connector, right? No, no one knows, huh? Okay, everything is fine then. I didn't pay attention? Yeah, me neither. No. Yeah, it's taking like 3 amps. Clackier, hello. Have you ever done any programming? I try, but only simple stuff. No coffee this? Nah, I had 2 coffees already. I tried before the Arduino. I still have the kit here. But you need time, to learn programming. You need time. Mati! Happy birthday for yesterday. Thank you very much for your donation. Thank you. I had a heavy Sunday, nice Saturday night. Okay, oversleep. Now, don't worry. It was nothing interested anyway. Danny, hello. Thank you, Mati. Thank you. Okay, for some reason, this laptop is not coming on anymore. Why we have no picture? What we missed? Oh, it is working. Oh, lol. Okay, okay, got scared. Power off, everything is fine. Yeah, that was a long reset, yeah, it was. Can I use one connector to power two laptop fans? If it's not a digital fan, you can. But if it's a digital fan, then you cannot do it. I mean, you can have with 4 wires fans, which can be like analog or digital. Okay, you know what? It is the wrong way to say it, because even the analog one, you have PWM, which is a digital signal. So you can have fans with PWM, and you can have digital fans with clock and data. So depends, yeah. Good. So this one is ready. The next one, USB. If it's a PWM fan, yeah, you can put them on a parallel mode. So this port is working. And this port is dead. Check here. So the port is dead. But if this port is working, why is not charging? Coming on? It is coming on. You think the battery is fully charged? Yeah, it is fully charged. Good. The RPM one is unpinned? No. 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 Why? It's an analog signal. It is analog, right? I mean, it's not. Let's say it's unidirectional signal. Yeah, it's not speaking with with the fan. We should be fine on the parallel mode. The worst case scenario, you can disconnect the RPM signal from one fan. When I have them connected, it seems to be confused. Who is confused? The fan? No, it should be fine. Should be fine. Moet, man, good morning. Good morning. We are doing some repairs. It's a job load. Billy, good morning. We are working something. It's Monday, so we have to start with something we delayed. So I delayed this packet from like in the last 3-4 days. But I can't delay it anymore. I have to fix it. Same bad port? Yeah, exactly the same. I mean, I didn't even check the other one. Well, we're gonna check. Lenovo job load? Yeah. Lenovo X1 Carbon. And you have these funny connectors from the screen. I can't see. I guess the glue didn't really help. No. They use the glue on the back of the port, but the port is not moving. The plastic bit is moving. Wait 1 second. This is a little bit different. Because usually I seen this kind of connectors. You have to push the thingy. Not sure where. Front. Outside. Yeah. Isn't the X1 Carbon new? 11 gen and 12 gen I have here, CPUs. It's nothing on that connector. You remember we asked ourselves if it's anything on that connector, but it's nothing. Alien Technology connector. Nah, it's just Lenovo being cocky. Okay, all screws are out. I forgot about this. My screwdriver. Okay. Yeah, the screwdriver is fine. I have the same anywhere. They are great. Yeah, they are. Good. Let's check one more time. Just to be sure. Yeah, this one is dead. This one, it is working. And from here, yeah, definitely it's working. So what can be wrong with this port? Flux. Good. Where is the port? Okay, found it. Found it. I mean, you can see the pins which they were not soldered. You can see them. You see, like here, you can see them. They are not soldered. Mati, if you are still here, how much is your rent? By the curiosity. Not enough solder? No, 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 no. From moving the port up and down, actually the metal is solder. But the plastic bit is moving with the pins. Yeah. Good. Perfect. Yeah, it looks fine. You are using a fume extractor? Of course. It's called lungs. I am a human fume extractor. I mean, I'm vaping. I'm smoking cigarettes like a packet per day. All that kind of bad stuff. For me, it's too late. I was watching a video yesterday about how bad is the asbestos. You know, when I was a kid, I played with asbestos like hell because the asbestos was everywhere on the solder irons. So on the past solder irons, you have asbestos inside, and I always like open and fix, because you will get them burned. That put that asbestos back, and a lot I play with asbestos. Then actually proved to be bad, right? Proved to be bad. Then I have a tick. You know what is a tick? I'm not sure if that's the name on English. I have a habit. Sorry, habit. Yeah, that's how it's called, habit. To chew solder wire. Solder wire lead. Yeah, yeah. Another bad thing. Now I know the lead is it's actually uranium on the decay chain. Yeah, it's kind of bad. We solder the port. Don't forget inhaling rosin. That's what I did all my life. I mean, I love rosin's chant. You know, it's like, you know, it's like church. You feel like you are always in a church. Let's test it. Let's see. We fix it. So from here, it's working. Can't believe. Yeah. And from the other side, from here is not working. No way. No way. I'm sure I soldered the port properly. Why is not working? You think the port is faulty? Huh? Yeah, that's bad. We screwed up. Can be faulty. Can be. Okay, let's take the port out again. And the port is out. I mean, all pins are present. How is it looking inside? Black square. Inside is looking good. All pins are there, and all pins are there. So how you can explain that? Maybe it's too much glue and my pins are not getting soldered on. You think? I mean, can be. Can be. Let's get a solder iron. Too much glue. Yeah, the pins are looking fine. There is glue on the port? Where? Oh, what an eye. You have a good eye. But, yeah. You have a good eye. So now it should work 100%, right? Okay, let's see. So from here it's still working. It's working, I can't believe. Ah. Yeah, solid. Solid. We fixed it. Another pizza. Yeah. Another pizza. Another pizza. Good to know that glue can be a problem. Can be. Yeah, looks like. Everything is on place. Two days left till Diablo 4. Season 12. Anyone playing or not? We need some fun, you know, sometimes, you know, just to have some fun. Will so? Okay. We need some fun. There is coming Doom Slayer, armor and stuff. Doom Slayer. Huh? It's a different game, or I heard something about them. Yeah, they update Diablo 2, but the Diablo 2 is old. Diablo 4 is nice. Diablo 4 is a new game. At the moment, spend a week playing virtually reality golf. Oh, okay, Matty, you're a different class. Now, you know what? All people, they are playing MMOs or RPGs. What's your favorite pizza? I don't know, Diana, she's buying like chicken pizza with sweet corn, with pepper, green pepper. Yeah, stuff like that. From March 11, you can morph to Butcher. Ha! I can't wait to see that. I can't wait. Anything with cheese and tomato sauce? Yeah. I can't wait. Looks like the Paladin is still the strongest class. I mean, not sure. I watch streamers, Diablo streamers. So Rob, he said the Captain American build is the best. But Mekuna, you know Mekuna, is the sorcerer guy. He said the Blessed Hammer is actually the best build. So not sure which one it will be like the top build, top notch. Because now we have leaderboards. And yeah, I do like the competitivity of the leaderboards. I'll play Paladin. Everyone is playing Paladin. What do you mean? It will be for free, three days. everyone it will be playing Paladin because it's free. So I bought it from the last season, but now they will be free for 3 days. So everyone it will play Paladin. I'm pretty sure 99% of the server it will be Paladin, and 0.1 from the server it will be how it's called, Druid. Druid is good on pit pushing and stuff. Even last season, Druid was fine, and I love Druid. I made a Druid last season. I play Paladin and Druid. Like the bear, you know, the pulverized build. Yeah, I like the bear. I hate Wi-Fi connectors. You know what I hate? I hate connectors, not Wi-Fi. Any connector I hate. Any connector which is supposed to carry currents or signals, like the Wi-Fi one. You lose like 0.5 decibel on that connector. So if you have your laptop and you say, okay, I want top performance, cut the wires and solder the wires straight to the Wi-Fi board. I always play Barbarian Warrior. Nah, it's trash. On Diablo, now it's trash. It was good on the past, but now it's bad. It's just bad. Bob, I missed the coffee yesterday. Ah, don't worry. It's just, you know, classic basic stuff. Nothing special. You haven't lost anything. Crimson Desert. I mean, there are a lot of games, but if they are not appealing, because I'm watching, you know, I'm watching Twitch, I'm watching the Steam chart, you know, to see what the people are playing, because obviously what is nice, they will be playing. Johnny Walker, EA, it's on the fridge. What can I check to use clearances in a laptop after closing the back lid? Not sure what clearances means. My English is not that great. I can recognize some words, but elevated words, no. Then we have Last Epoch. Then after Last Epoch, we have PoE 2, new season, new league. So many games are coming. How do you recognize the lead sensor in a laptop motherboard? It's looking like a big transistor. It's like a big transistor, yeah. What's the electric screwdriver? Has torque settings. Here, you have 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. But I can't really see like much difference. The sensor halo effect, yeah. It's a big transistor. If I take a board, Now this is a random board. Where is the halt sensor? I can't see it. I can't see it. Yeah, probably it's this one. Or not. Or this one. It's looking like a normal transistor. But actually it's a chip. Let me see. No, it's not that one. And it's not this one, no. It's not necessary to be on the motherboard. Can be on the power button, yeah. Or can be on the USB board or something. But this one is not here. It's like a transistor like that, but bigger. You can see it's bigger. And just to confirm, you can check. So you should have 3.3 volts on one pin. Then one pin is ground. Then one pin is on or off. But it can come with a magnet. You can see it's changing on and off. Am tras de fir de la pinul central și am trecut de primul MOSFET ca să pot. Ok. You done some work. We are waiting for the spring. Yeah. You know what? I'm doing something wrong with these laptops, and I don't know what. Because always I have one screw left. I mean, from where is this screw? No idea. Anyway, the laptop is back in place. Let's put a back cover. Sunny weather days. Do you have any more after this laptop? 5 more. We fixed 2 from 7, right? We have 5 more. So let's see, my port, working fine. Laptop it's on. Oh, yeah. Watching you makes me want to take an old laptop and spill water on it and try to fix it. Nah, don't do it. If you want to have some fun, then try to buy faulty laptops or faulty boards. But from the people, they didn't try to fix it. So I know there are people, they are selling stuff without anyone trying to fix them. Remember on the past we bought like motherboards? Yeah, and all have been repairable. eBay, yeah, eBay. We have few videos with buying motherboards from eBay, and I know it's a company. I forgot the name. Anyway, I said it on that video. And that company is selling motherboards, which no one tried to fix them. When no one trying to fix them, you remember one board has like a shorter capacitor, and it was one more board, but I don't remember what was the problem. Something like that, or charging port or stuff. So yeah, you can, okay, let me have some fun. Let me buy a faulty laptop. Yeah. Let's fix it and let's sell it. Yeah, the port is fine. Still waiting for the picture. It's so boring to fix charging ports. It's actually, I'm getting sleepy. Okay, so the laptop is working. Okay, let's finish the other 5 and we can go to sleep. Pablo, good morning. I bet the next will be challenging. No way, I don't have this luck. No. I think you celebrate a little bit. No. It was not my birthday. It was a birthday stream, but not my birthday. Because you understand, I cannot share exactly my birthday because the people, they will try to crack down my email. Happens before, so I learned the lesson. Okay, let's see. So this board is working. End of the day for you? We just started. It's taking 2.4 amps, and here is coming on. This 5 volts. 5 volts is not good. And not sure if that's a charging port issue. From here, we have nothing. This one, it is working. Happy birthday, thank you very much. Stalkers, yeah. How do you think they cracked my YouTube channel like 2 years ago? They stole my YouTube channel. They stole my login details. And they run that crap scam with Tesla. You remember? Go, so the laptop, it is working. Awful people who do that. The logins were from Russia, small town from Russia. But who knows? Maybe it was just a proxy or something. It's no screw here. The screw is missing. Or is this one? You think it's this one? No, it's not this one. It was missing. Didn't see that one. Still catching up on the older videos. No, that was deleted a long time ago. Okay, the laptop is open like the other two. And we have to take the board out. Now, I would love some excitement, but it looks like every job is the same. It's same port, same problem, same everything. Oh, I can't do it. I swear I can't do it. It's so boring. So boring. Have some coffee or tea? Yeah, have Coca-Cola. It's not enough. This time TPS cheap partial faulty. I wish. What about coffee you can't drink? I had two already. I have two big coffees already. I'm away from like 3 o'clock, 2 o'clock in the morning. Play Diablo? No, you can't play Diablo. You can play like when new season is coming from like 2 weeks and that's all. Diablo is even getting more boring after 2 weeks. So no more coffee time anymore? I mean, we can have probably I will be playing. But I'll be here with live streams, with repairs, yeah. It's my pleasure to get you bored on my live stream. So I'm not the only one getting bored. We can get bored together. You see, this one is not the same. The connector is not the same. The connector, this connector and this connector are exactly the same. Remember that last model was a different type of connector. I'm bored already? Nah, no yet. Just wait. This is number 3. We still have four to go. Yeah, 4 more to go. Just wait till the last one, and we will be sleeping here together. Sleep stream. You seen that on Twitch? It's working fine. So the people are streaming when they are sleeping. You seen that? So yeah, looks like it's fine to stream your sleep. Pajamas party? I don't know, man. I think Diana is just jealous because she's telling me I'm snoring. And I say, I don't remember to snore. I think you make up stories. And she actually filmed with the phone when I was snoring. So we have the port. It's on focus. Okay. Let's take the port out. And the port is out. Exactly, Amar. Exactly. Exactly. She's just jealous. Oh, what is this? What is this? Oh, that sucks. Okay, that's a bad one. What's wrong with me? Flux? Rosin? Good. Now let's check what's wrong with the port. That's insane. Okay, this is exciting. We have a blow-up pin and we don't have a port. That's exciting, right? So what you'll do in this case? Replacing the port is no option. We don't have another port. And the customer hasn't sent me any spare board. You know. Maybe space charging port jobs, BTU more interest in repairs. Pretty good port. Let's check inside if it's burned. Bro, I can't even see. 1 second. I'm like in tears. Let's see. So inside the port is fine. Huh? Okay. I got the oscilloscope last week. I have one coming from Temu to review. So we have to fix this pin, you know, because I don't have. I mean, it's nothing wrong with the port. Yeah, it's just this pin, which lost, you know, the extension. But the pin is fine. The inside of the port is fine. It got burned because it got this solder from the board. That's why this pin got burned. Yeah, not because the pin is not good. No. Sorry, energy drinks. Yeah, I have Coca-Cola here, but it's not helpful. Go to sleep? I can't, man. I slept all night. I mean, nearly all night. I'm not sleepy, don't get me wrong. I'm not sleepy, no. I can't sleep. Crazy is like 12 o'clock. How you can sleep at 12 o'clock? We are on the working time. What do you mean? I'm on the working time. We have to deliver the jobs today. Not tomorrow. Today. Have just a little. No, if I have a little bit of Johnny Walker, then I'm going to sleep. Straight away. No, don't tell me it didn't happen to you. Don't tell me that. But I'm sure, you know, when you have boring stuff, you get sleepy. Well, don't tell me you're not getting sleepy on the job. I don't want to use rosin here. Very good. Good. I bend my solder tip. Yeah, it's easier. Do you ever get something that's so nasty in previous mess? I had a job last week. Half of the board is burned. And whole board it's work with flux and solder, and it was a good job. I mean, that job was expensive, but no, I could not fix it. I didn't even try. The 3.3 was all shorted to 19. So they were like a bunch of chips all getting hot on the 3.3. I don't know, someone tried to fix it or something. Oh, this is too big, huh? Good. Come on. What is this? Okay, look solder. Only looks. Nah, no way. I just try to put some UV gel to hold the wire there in place. 430 degrees solder wire for such job? What do you mean? 430, why? Because it's stronger? No, I'm gonna use UV gel. I need some flux. We're gonna use UV gel. Gonna clean this and use UV gel. Now, you know what? I don't think we can do it actually. Maybe clean it? Clean it. It's clean. Has solder on it. You can't see it has solder? Yeah. Acid flux? No, I'm okay. We don't need acid here. We need just the perfect solder. That's all what we need. Solder to be strong enough just to stay till I use UV gel. That's all. That's all what I need. And I can't get that. Yeah, like this. And now it's strong. It's not. No, it's not. It's not. Like that. Yeah. Yeah. Now it's a proper job. I can't even break it to move it a little bit. Good. Now we have to clean it. Let me clean it. You think it's shorting with other pin? Flux is expensive. No, it's not. No, it's not short. No, it's just fine. It's just fine. Good. Kind of good. Where is the UV gel? UV gel? Wait, why didn't I could order another port? Yeah. So no UV gel. No UV gel. That sucks. So basically I'm selling UV gel on eBay, but I don't have a UV gel here. Imagine that. Did he? No, I can tell her to bring me a new syringe. Yeah, give me 1 second. Yeah. Stop talking about pizza. No, we are not eating today. No. I have to finish all jobs. Okay, let's do it. Let's do it. UV gel. But just a little bit we need. Just a little bit. The sun is coming outside. You see, just a touch. That's all what we need. Something like that. But I don't want to be like high level here. Okay, not on this pin. Good. Blue light. I mean UV light. Which is... Ah, come on, that's crazy. Where is my UV light? No. No UV light. How this is possible? Aha! Found it. Found it. Anything blue? Nothing blue? It is. It is. Check that. You can't even see it. No. Okay, what about now? Now you can see it. Yeah. I have a better idea. Yeah, like that. UV filter on the scope. On the camera, probably. No, you can't see it. Camera has good filters. Perfect. Hopefully it will not get shorted with this pin. Yeah, like that. Okay, let's do it. Let's see what will happen. Yeah, let's be sure it's not short with the other pin. It's not. Good. No freaking way. Okay, hopefully got solder on the board. Let's test it. Okay, from this side it's working. Yeah, good. And from this side it's working. Can't believe. 19 volts. Yeah, it got solder on the board. Yeah, so here is fine. And here is fine. Yeah. Can't believe. Can't believe. I think my battery came. 1 second. Here's the battery. Finally. Diana cannot lift it. 1 second. Good. Good. Everything is fine. We fixed it. Anyone said dodgy repair? No. I thought so, yeah. Anyone watching Abby on Facebook? Wait, I thought so. You know the lady? She has like a Karen face. Huh? No, you don't know the lady? No? It's a British lady. Proper nice. Let's test it one more time. No? Okay. Perfect. Skill. Ha! There's no skill here, it was just luck. We've been lucky. We've been lucky. Dodgy. I have on the old videos, it's like I have comments. Oh, this is dodgy, you should not do it, you should, you know, and I always wanted to leave a comment. I always wanted, but I never did it. You know what I mean? I always want to leave a comment. I don't know, man, I just took the money, you know, the job never came back, I'm happy, you know? I always want to leave that kind of comment. I mean, I know it's toxic, but I always want to tell them, sorry, man, I took the money for the repair, the customer never came back, you know? And yeah. I mean, here on YouTube, you know, I'm doing kind of like legit stuff. But on the shop, I was doing like crazy dodgy repairs, like insane. I can't plug the fingerprint sensor. Why is that? Oh yeah. Yeah, working fine. Imagine you can replace the connectors. I mean, you can buy them and replace them. But if you can't do it, then I'm assuming somehow we can replace the USB-C with like a different kind of port. Like normal USB. Like round pin connector, stuff like that. We will always gonna find a way to fix stuff. Sometimes taking the board out looks harder than the repair. Yeah, but sometimes looks easy. But it's harder. You see, like this one was looking like an easy job. was not. Mati, you're British. You should know about Abby Mills from Facebook. AB Mills. You know the lady. You should know the lady. She's doing like funny videos. I'm pretty sure you know it. You know her. The older boards are terrible to remove. Too many screws. Yeah, the HP and Dells, yeah. What did I miss? Nothing. I'll be happy with that repair. I mean, it's not about the repair, it's about warranty. You do a repair, you give warranty. You done something bad, something dodgy, and the job is coming back, you will learn from that. Next time, you will not do it again. So it's all about the warranty. Maybe some UV gel around the connector. If you have like a thick layer of UV gel, it will not get hardened. That's the problem with the UV gel. Okay. Let's put a battery. So this is the third laptop. Fantastic. Now, what is that? Okay. Free pizza? Free till now, yeah. Free till now. Ah, come on. Depends from what country you are. Because, like UK, United States, yeah, you can say, it's not really worth it. It's taking too much time. You're not doing much money. But from the rest of the world, you know, where they have like a poor economy and stuff, the electronics definitely is worth doing it. I mean, no matter what, like laptops, TVs, whatever is electronic, because the products are expensive. Doesn't mean if you have like a country with poor economy, doesn't mean the laptop is cheaper. No, it will never be. That's why the repair people there, they are more happy with the money they're making from a repair. I have to drop off. Good day. Thank you very much. Thank you. Just only think like on a poor country, how much the people they have to work to afford a laptop. Uruguay here, repairs here always work. You see, Pablo. Yeah, that's the point I'm trying to make. Sorry, and I repair a Dell, not starting with normal DC, Dell AC, but start with Type-C connector. Just got 2026 council tax bill, 2,200 per year. I'm paying 2,400 per year, but I'm paying monthly, Mati. I'm not rich like you to pay all in one. I'm not rich like you, sorry. I'm paying monthly like £200 or 200, maybe even more than £200. Maybe even more. Okay. Let me see. I had to pay monthly too. That's how the poor people are paying, Mati. Nothing to feel bad. Nothing to feel bad. Let me see. I can't believe I'm minus on my card again. Council tax. We have a picture. I can't see. No, no, I think this is the month. Actually, they are not taking the council tax, right, Mati? Yeah, because I have no council tax on my card. Yeah, it's 1 month. You are not paying council tax. Yeah, definitely. I mean, check here, Mati. I'm paying like 215 to Council. You see, 215 per month. Then I have the water, like 86 pounds. Just to understand. 86 pounds per month for water. Starts again in April? Yeah. Okay, we fix it. 86 pounds for water. That's insane. I used to pay like 15, like years ago. My water bill is about $60. Yeah, dollars. Even better. $60 is like 45 pounds or 50 pounds. That lows more than my... Yeah, but why? I'm not drinking water. I'm drinking Fiji water. It is about like $90. Let's see what's the issue with this one. So this one is coming on. 5 volts. Don't tell me again blow up in. This one, 19 volts. Yeah. It's getting very expensive. Yeah, it is. It is. It is. You understand I go 600 pounds rise on rent in 6 months? 5 volts. Just to understand how bad it is. There is no housing anymore. They are not building houses, and a lot of people are still coming. And of course, you're gonna run out of houses. And when you run out of houses for rent, then the only option is to increase the rent price. Standing charge, that's how it's called. Mine went up twice this year. I'm paying 2,400 for rent because that's the last rise was 400 pounds. Supply and demand, exactly, Mati. If no one it will rent, they will lower the price. Yeah, but they don't. I look around the London area to find like cheaper houses, but nothing. No. Everything is expensive. Wherever you look. Where you are based, like 1 mile from London? A question I called on yesterday. Your car Audi is diesel? Yeah, 2-liter diesel. It's a 15 years old car. 15. You like Cornwall? I have no preference, Bob. The problem is I have to be near London because, you know, my daughter, her school, her flying and all that kind of stuff. Same here in Bristol. I think second most expensive after London. Yeah. Bristol. Wait, I heard about Bristol. Where is Bristol? 1 second. Let me check on the map. It sounds familiar. Bristol. Maps. It's not bad. It's near Oxford. Kind of. Yeah. Yeah, I can see it. I mean, I can have a fresh start anywhere. Because my online thing, it doesn't have an address. On the website, I don't have an address. I give the people address where to send stuff. Yeah. So the location is not a problem for me. But I have few people I know. I have some computer businesses I'm working with, like locally. Yeah, it's more complicated to change the area. Uruguay? Nah, I can't, man. I have to stay here. I have to stay here. I heard about a lot of good stuff about Cornwall. Raise your prices a bit? If I raise the price, the people, they will not fix it. They will buy another one. Cornwall is beautiful? That's what I heard. That's what I heard. Let's take the port out. A little bit of rosin. Okay, that's bad. It's nothing blow up. That means it's a PD controller fault. Nothing is blow up here. Yeah. Good. Let's solder the port back and diagnose the board. $380, no, 350, 360 actually. 360 degrees. To plug in the charger, 5 volts. This is not a charging port issue. No. And 5 volts from here. We have 2 MOSFETs there. You know what? One is looking like it's blow up. But let's check together. So, this one, 5 volts. Here is 0. So 5 volts here and here is 2 volts. You see? So it's not passing the voltage through the MOSFET because the MOSFET is dead. If I short this thingy, this one with this one, okay, the meter turned off for some reason. 19 volts, 700 milliamps, but you can't see that. You can't see it. So what we are doing? This is the AD at the end. Not sure what we should do. Calibrated wire. You people are more dodgy than I am. Calibrated wire. We can use it, but the problem is the voltage from here it'll come to the other port. That's the problem. Blow up there. You can see it's blow up. No, we can't do it. Let me see if I can find another board. I'm pretty sure I have somewhere MOSFETs like this. One second. Huh? Diode? No, we can't use diode. They're like 5 amps. How we can use a diode? I thought it is the same, but it's not. I mean, where are the MOSFETs? Wait, it is the same. Check that. Check there what we found. Check there what we found. What we found. Wait, what is that? And the MOSFET is looking good, to be honest. Yeah, it's looking fine. I mean, no solder balls, but who needs solder balls anyway? No solder balls, not broken solder balls. Exactly. No cracked solder balls. Exactly. 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 That's what I'm trying to say. That's what I'm trying to say. Oh, come on. Where is my MOSFET? What happened? I found it. Wait 1 second. This one it is? Yeah, this one. This one. Oh, lol. I freaking lost the MOSFET. You seen that? Actually, here are like two dual MOSFETs. I mean, it's not even straight. Okay, now it is. Good. Perfect. It's like brand new. You can't even see it has been replaced. You can't even see it. You can't even see it. So we have the charger. We have the meter. Plug in the charger. Rebooting. Because the CPU is getting too hot? Probably not. I'll show you this one. Yeah, probably, because the CPU is getting hot. It's not getting hot. No. Listen, the AC chip is checking the velocity. So if the temperature is rising quickly, even if the temperature rises to like 50 degrees, it will stop the board. I think this is the best example how the heat velocity works. We broke it. It's not working at all. We made it worse. Can you believe that? We broke the laptop even worse. Yeah, it's gone. We broke it. It's gone. What kind of repair people we are, huh? Or are we? Repair guys, actually they are broken stuff. Can't believe. Well, it's not short. It's not short. But I'm pretty sure the gate is shorted somewhere. Ground. Yeah, probably our MOSFET is the issue. We broke the laptop. Worse than before. Before it was working with one port. Now it's not working at all. Some kind of like dodgy repair we did here. That's why it's not working. Sorry, in dance school? Haha! You remember that video? Yeah. What about with no MOSFET? No MOSFET, no shorted MOSFET? I'm pretty sure it was a gate issue. No. Must be something else then. We are missing something. But my port is working, that's crazy. Even without the MOSFET, I get 5 volts there. I get 5 volts, and if I short the MOSFET from here to here, nothing. Wait 1 second, so shorting the MOSFET from here to here. And nothing happened. Easy, no, it's not easy pizza. No, here is no pizza, trust me. It's not easy pizza. It is a pizza, but not easy. Okay, let me see where I have 5 volts. 5 volts. Here is 0. Here is 0. What is this? It's worse than I thought. Actually, we have no voltage on any. But we had before on one port. So this port doesn't have 5 volts. Doesn't matter about the MOSFET. The MOSFET is not important. We have nothing and nothing. Then we have the input here. Here we have 5 volts. Here we have 5 volts. We have 5 volts, but nothing here. And on the other port, we are getting 5 volts, and that's all, 5 volts. And here, 5. All we did is removing the old MOSFET. That's all what we did. And now the board is rebooting. Let's grab the other MOSFET. Maybe this one is shorted. Who knows? Maybe it's dead. Let's grab the other MOSFET. Good. Let's solder the MOSFET here. Yeah, it's looking good. This one is good. 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 The MOSFET it is soldered. Next to the capacitor. No, I don't think. It's freaking rebooting. What we did wrong? So from here is good. Fuse good, fuse good. Driver short. Yeah, but how the driver can get short? This one. How the driver can get short? This one from here. No, it's not getting short. No. We are missing something. Okay, if you don't want, I will give you 19 volts. So if I give you 19 volts, what you will do? 19 volts, and with 19 volts here it's working. That's crazy. Why it's working with 19 here? And now it's on. Check that. Now it's on. 19 volts. And here, rebooting. Okay. And with 19 volts, it's working. Kind of. It's taking no current. 1 second. Yeah, my MOSFET is not working. So we have 19 at the input on the fuse. Yeah? You can't see the meter. It is. But at the output we have 18.6. Okay, and what? Why the board is not starting? And now it's rebooting. 80 milliamps. One second. And here the board is starting. Why is starting on that one but not on this one? Because the driver is dead? Because that's the reason why the MOSFET blew up on the first place? So this one has AD at the end. And my one, where is my one? My one has, I can't see, AD at the end. Check that. So basically we can swap the driver. What do you think about that? Looks dangerous, huh? Corrosive flux. We preserve the solder balls, which are perfect. Great. Now let's grab this chip. What? What is my chip? Oh, where is my chip? I found it. I found it. I found it. We messed up the solder balls, but that's fine. That's okay. That's okay. We are fine. No problem. No problem at all. Good. Let's solder that chip. Where is the pin number 1? I can't see anything on that chip. Like that, maybe. I can see the writing. Yeah, pin number 1 here. But where is the pin number 1 on the board? Here. It was like that, right? And the chip is moving. Come on. Come on. Come on. Okay, I need more temperature. Not sure what should I say about that chip. Not sure what should I say. But doesn't look trusty. Like 5 volts. We kill it. Yeah. 5 volts. And this one? 5 volts. 100 milliamps. Yeah, it's dead. Give me 1 second. We kill it. Can't believe. You see when the things goes wrong? Yeah, that's how the things goes wrong. Because usually I'm using like max temperature on the chip and stuff like that. No, I will not do this. No, I will do something else. I will do something else. Definitely I will do something else. I'm not sure what is there. Rosin, maybe. Where is the chip? Okay, found it. What happened with the Easy Pizza? And this chip is cracked on one corner. Come on. Maybe it's not my day. Maybe it's not my day. Good. Good. When you're not sure, push the chip down. Yeah. Exactly. Exactly. Now we know every solder ball is equal. Yeah. You need a cigarette? No, I'm not. No, I'm not about to swear. No, no, no. It's not swearing. No. I'm not angry. 5 volts. I mean, why? I soldered the chip right. Why is 5 volts? Probably the chip I took it from the board is dead. 5 volts. I don't even know if this chip has to be programmed or not. It's a PD controller chip. Okay. Definitely I need a cigarette. Oh. New chip from the box? I don't think I have the AD one. The termination of this chip matters. So this is finishing on AD. Okay, give me 1 minute. That's crazy. I don't have that chip. My box. What happened here? I pressed something. Yeah, F11. Maybe we can find one here. But even if we are finding one here, I'm not sure if it's good or not. I mean, I should buy some chips. No, definitely I don't have here. Let's put back the original chip. This is the original one. Good. Come on. The chip it is soldered properly. And it's doing exactly the same. That does mean my soldering job was good. So coming with 19 and the board is starting. Nah, I was sure my soldering job is good. No, must be the chip. Must be the chip. New chip. Yeah, I don't have new chip. That's the thing. Okay, I'm gonna order. Let me see what it's on eBay. eBay ISL. Forgot the name. No, actually it's TPS. TPS 56994. TPS 994 AD. That's crazy. It's £11 a chip. AC, no, AD. We need AD. AD. Yeah, that's what we need. Well, it is what it is. I have to order the chip because I can't fix it. What happened? My camera freeze. I can't believe the switch from the solder iron is freezing my camera. So the front camera is is frozen right now, and I can't defroze it. I have to shut down the OBS. Okay, you know what? I'm gonna order the chip and see you when the chip arrive and we are finishing the jobs. What do you think? I bought a chipper on AliExpress, but you can trust AliExpress. I have no success with these glass chips. Yeah. Okay, guys, I'm gonna stop here. Yeah, I will leave everything like how it is, and we are waiting for the new chip. Exactly. I'm pretty sure it's the chip, because that's the reason why the MOSFET blew up on the first place. Kubas, I'm late for the party. Yeah, but it was nothing, just boring jobs. So I'm not gonna do anything. We're gonna start the stream when the chip arrive again. So see you soon. Temperature could burn it? No. We didn't even work with the temperature. We replaced the MOSFET, and then the board started rebooting when we are plugging the charger. And the MOSFET I solder is fine. I mean, there is no reason for the board to restart. Okay, the camera is not working, but the microscope one should work. Yeah. Let me check the diodes. I know there are 2 diodes around the chip. Yeah, these diodes. You can see the glass diodes. Let's check the glass diodes. So this one is good, and this one is good. Yeah, both are good. That sucks. The MOSFETs are good. Not sure about this IC. Let me check the fuse. So the fuse, this one is good. This one is good. Yeah, they are good. Well, anyway, let me order the chip. See you on the next one, right? Did we check the? Yeah, we checked the fuses. Yeah, I just checked them now. These are good. See you on the next one. Yeah, just have a beautiful day. Don't let a job to ruin your day. We're gonna fix it next time. Bye.